Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey to discover various niches that can help you earn up to $500 a day online. We understand that many people are looking for ways to make money online, and we want to help you find the most effective and legitimate ways to achieve your financial goals. To make things easier for you, we have included some helpful links in the description below, which you can use to get started on your journey. These links will lead you to some valuable resources that will help you in your quest to earn money online. If you find this video useful, we kindly ask that you like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and colleagues, so that they too can benefit from this information. We know that exploring new opportunities can be both exciting and overwhelming, but we assure you that you're in for a treat. With our guidance, you can confidently explore new avenues and discover the niche that works best for you. So, let's dive in and discover the exciting world of online earning opportunities. Let's dive into some alternative paths to reaching that $500 per day goal. From freelancing to e-commerce, the online world is full of possibilities. Let's explore a few niches with illustration examples. Freelancing. Freelancing is an outstanding way to utilize your skills and expertise to offer services to clients from around the world. It's a flexible and versatile option that can help you earn a substantial income while working on your own terms. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to work in pretty much any field you excel at, be it writing, graphic designing, social media management, or anything else. If you're looking to kickstart your freelancing career, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide excellent opportunities to showcase your abilities and connect with clients who are looking for your services. These platforms offer a user-friendly interface that allows you to create a profile, set your rates and work hours, and bid on relevant projects. One of the best things about these platforms is that they offer a safe and secure payment system that ensures you receive fair compensation for your work. Moreover, they have a rating system that allows clients to rate your work, which helps you build a positive reputation and attract more clients in the future. The best thing about freelancing is that it gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're working from home or traveling the world, you can still manage your projects and deliver high-quality work to your clients. Plus, freelancing gives you the freedom to choose the projects that interest you the most, allowing you to work on projects that you're passionate about and that align with your values. In conclusion, freelancing is a lucrative and fulfilling career choice that can help you achieve financial freedom and work-life balance. With the right skills, attitude, and tools, you can build a successful freelancing career and enjoy the benefits of being your own boss. E-commerce. Over the past few years, e-commerce has revolutionized the way we conduct business online. With the advent of platforms such as Shopify and Etsy, it has become incredibly easy for individuals to set up their own online stores and reach out to customers from all over the world. This has opened up a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs to sell anything from handcrafted items and drop-shipping products to digital downloads and services, all from the comfort of their own homes. The rise of e-commerce has not only made it possible to earn passive income but also offers a level of flexibility and convenience that traditional brick-and-mortar stores cannot match. With the power of technology at their fingertips, anyone with a great product and a little bit of creativity can build a successful business online. E-commerce has truly democratized the world of retail, offering a level playing field to both small and large businesses. With the help of social media and online marketing, businesses can now reach out to customers directly and create a loyal customer base. Moreover, the ability to analyze data and track consumer behavior has made it easier for businesses to optimize their sales strategies and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, the rise of e-commerce has brought about a fundamental shift in the way we conduct business. It has created a new era of entrepreneurship, offering individuals the opportunity to build and grow their own businesses while also providing consumers with a wider range of products and services to choose from. Online courses. In the current era of digitization, online learning has emerged as a popular and lucrative niche for professionals and experts who want to share their knowledge and expertise with a larger audience. A plethora of e-learning platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier for individuals to design and launch engaging courses on various topics, ranging from photography tutorials to business strategies. By leveraging your skills and passion, you can create high-quality courses with multimedia content and interactive materials that offer real value to your students. This not only helps you establish credibility in your field but also enables you to generate a consistent stream of income through course sales and student enrollments. In addition to the income, These platforms also provide you with a range of marketing tools and resources to promote your courses, enabling you to reach a wider audience and grow your online business. Creating and selling online courses can be a fulfilling and profitable endeavor, allowing you to share your expertise and make a positive impact on people's lives. With the right strategy and approach, you can create an effective online course that encourages students to learn and grow, while also helping you to establish yourself as a leading authority in your field. Successful online course creators and their content. If you're looking to make a substantial income of $500 per day online, there are a few diverse niches that you could explore. Here are some of your options. 1. Finance niche. The finance niche provides plenty of opportunities for those who have financial expertise. You could offer financial advice, and investment tips, or even create a blog or a YouTube channel about personal finance. However, to succeed in this niche, you need to have a deep understanding of financial concepts and industry trends. You should also be able to communicate complex financial information in a way that is easy to understand and relatable to your audience. 2. Health and wellness niche. The health and wellness industry is booming, and there is a huge demand for content related to fitness, nutrition, mental health, and more. If you're passionate about health and fitness, this niche could be a great fit for you. You could create a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a podcast to share your knowledge and expertise. However, keep in mind that this niche is highly competitive, and you need to have a unique voice and perspective to stand out from the crowd. 3. Digital marketing niche. If you have a knack for advertising, social media, and SEO, the digital marketing niche could be a great choice for you. As a digital marketer, you could offer services such as SEO optimization, social media management, PPC advertising, and more. You could also create content related to digital marketing and share your insights with others. However, keep in mind that this niche is constantly evolving, and you need to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and techniques to succeed. As we come to the end of today's video, it's time to unveil an absolute goldmine of resources waiting for you in the description section below. Brace yourself to discover the secrets of making a whopping $500 per day online in various niches. If you found this video as electrifying and enlightening as we designed it to be, let's spread some love by crushing that thumbs up button. And guess what? By subscribing to our channel, you're in for a thrilling ride with more mind-blowing, motivational content headed your way.